this is a quick video explaining how you can build your own teacher life planner. So I do have many planners in my store that have blank tab sections, but this is my most recent and most basic one that is the cheapest. So in this planner, you will get your normal teacher forms such as, transportation, to-do list, lesson plans, small groups, daily checklists, the basic things you need and the most often things that I need whenever I'm planning. So I did put those in kind of a basic planner. This planner can be printed or used in a digital format, iPad, tablet, Google, or PowerPoint. You get all of those files included. But what I wanted to focus on is the tabs that you get that you can customize. There are 16 sections in this one that you can create your own. So the reason why I did that is that you can use these tabs for your own individual purposes for your district, but then also you can use any lifestyle inserts. So if you go to my store, I do have tons of lifestyle inserts. So for example, we have these home care forms, which are like cleaning checklists already scheduled for you. We have meal planning forms with all your pantry inventory and so on. Lifestyle forms, which include mood trackers, reading logs, podcast trackers, medication trackers, all those. We have holiday forms that has how to plan all your holidays, birthdays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, finance forms for your debt, debt snowball, savings trackers, income expenses, budgets, and all that. You also have your family forms, which includes like your health information, house sitters, pet sitters, babysitters, and so on. And then a faith section with a Bible study plan, a prayer journal, daily devotionals, and the last one is a small business one. So if you have business expenses, content planner, you can add all of these into your teacher planner so that way you can kind of build what you need. I do have planners that include all of this, like this life planner, but if you don't need all that, then you can kind of click and choose. So for example, we'll download the home care ones that has all the cleaning checklists. When you download it, you'll receive a PDF that's just kind of explaining how to get started, what apps I used, if you want to use it digitally, and so on. But then when you get to this one, it says click on the computer screen below. So you're going to click and it will bring you to here. So that way you can download the PDF forms. You can download individual images or an instructional video. So let me open up the planner and show you exactly where you would put that in. So when you download the planner, it will bring you to a similar getting started guide. And when you go to download that one, you will have different layouts and different planner versions. So for this purpose, I'll just open up the iPad tablet version, but you can do the same thing with the PowerPoint, the Google Slides, and so on. So what I wanted to do was bring you to the page, the tabs. Let me get there. There we go. If you go to your index and then you go to My Tabs, when you click on the My Tabs section, you will be able to actually edit your tabs in whatever program you're using. So let's say tab 1, you want this to be where you'll have your lifestyle inserts. So you can download the images and it has the individual ones. So let's open one up, for example. So this one is the spring cleaning. So you could insert this image, download it, and insert it into your planner wherever you have decided that you would use it. So if you're using it in the tablet or iPad version, you want to insert an image of it into this blank section right behind it. And you can insert as many pages as you want, and so on. You'll insert the image files. Now you can also insert it as a PDF. That's fine too. You just put it behind it, but I just put the image on top here so that way I can still use all of the different tabs. Now I do have a more detailed video. It shows you exactly how to do it right here on all of your life planner inserts. So it's actually me pulling out my digital planner, showing you how to do it, but I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of explain how to build your own planner using this basic planner or anyone that has blank tabs and all of my inserts. So with the inserts, you do get a PDF. So if you want to just print these out and not use them digitally, you can absolutely do that as well. There is one in the home one or the family that has medication trackers. So that's something I'll probably print out when my children are on antibiotics and so on. But I thought this was just an easy way to pick and choose the forms that you need, and you can build your own teacher life planner. I hope this makes sense. Please be in touch if you have any questions. Thank you so much.